Assalamu- Today we will see the lecture about reduced echelon form. So we have a matrix A 1 3 4 4 3 1 5 1 3. So we will convert this matrix into a reduced echelon form. Okay. So so what is the structure of reduced echelon form? So this type of the matrix we can say this is reduced echelon form. Okay. So we have to show this matrix converted into this form, so we can say this is the reduced echelon form of this matrix. Okay, so first of all we will zero this and this entry. So apply operation r2 minus apply operation r2 minus 3r1, and for r3 minus 4r1, because we want to zero this place in this matrix. So we will use this operation to this matrix. Okay. So first row as it same as it is 1 4 5. For this R2, so apply this operation. So we will substitute 3 minus 3 in the place of R1. We will substitute 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So we will substitute 0 in this place. In the place of this, we will substitute 3. In the place of R2 minus 3R1, sorry, 4 and 2, 1. So we will get minus 1. So we will substitute minus 1 in the place of this. So for 1, what will we do? 1, 1 minus 3. In the place of R1, we will substitute 5. So 3 5s are 15, and 1 minus 15 is equal to minus 14. So we will substitute minus 14 in the place of this entry. Okay. So now we will apply a second operation for third row. So for 4 minus, in the place of R3, we will substitute 4 minus 4 R1. R1, what is the value of R1? So we will substitute 1, because the top of 4 is equal to 1. So 4 minus 4, we will substitute 0. Okay. So next 2 minus 4 and 2, we will substitute in the place plus a place of R1 is equal to 4. So 4 4 is 16, 2 minus 16 is equal to minus 14. So we will substitute minus 14. Okay. So in the place of 3, what will be substitute and what operation we will supply? So 3 minus 4 R1, in the place of R1 we will substitute 5. So 3 minus 4 5 are 20. So 3 minus 20 is equal to minus 17. Okay. So this is the matrix. Now we will go to next page. 1 0 0. So write the matrix 1 0 0. 4 minus 1 minus 14. 4 minus 1 minus 14. 5 minus 14 minus 17. 5 minus 14 minus 17. 5 minus 14 minus 17. Okay. So now we will convert this number into 1. So multiply minus 1 with R2. So first row is same as it is 1 4 5 and then 0. Then minus multiply with R2. So this is 1, and with multiply minus 1 with this minus 14. So we will get 14, because minus minus plus, and 1 14 is a 14. Okay. Means this type of operation minus 1 into minus 14. So minus minus plus we will get 14. Okay. So we get this row same as it is minus 4 and minus 17. Oh, sorry. This is the place 14. Okay. This place 14 we will substitute. Now we will zero this number and this number. Okay. So apply operations. So for this number, so we will R1 minus 4 R2, and for this this is minus, so R3 minus, but we will substitute plus because this is minus 14 R2. Okay. With the help of R2, we will zero this number and this number. Okay. Because this is the pivot element 1. So apply operations. So 1 0 0 1 0 0. This is 1 and this is 0 0 because of operation, and we will write 14 as it is. So what is the value of here and here? So for we do for this 5 minus, apply this operation, 4 and 2 in the place of R2. We will substitute R2 element in bottom to the 5, sorry, 14. We will substitute 14. So 5 minus 4, 14, 4 into 14, 4 times 40, and 40, 56. Okay, 56, and then we will get minus 51 in the place of this. So right, for this place, minus 17 will be do minus 7, sorry, minus 17 plus 14 into R2 14. So this is right, sorry, this is the operation, this is a wrong operation. We will write R3, sorry, because this is right. Okay, 14 into R2. Okay, so for this number, we will substitute minus 17 plus 14 into R2. The element of R2 is 14 top of the 17. Okay, so minus 17, then plus 14. 14, what is the value of 14? 14, 14 into 14. This answer of 14 is square. 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, 5, then 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1, then 6, 5, 4, 9, 196. 196 minus 17. 96 minus 17, 90, 18, 179. So we write 179. Okay. So now we will do this, convert into 1. So apply operation. We will multiply 1 upon 179 with R3, then 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 51, 14, and this is 1. Okay. So now we have a task to zero this place and this place. This is 1. Okay. So we have to zero this place and this place. So what will we do? We will do in next page. We have a matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0, and this is 1. This is 1, and this is 14 minus 51. 14 minus 51. Okay. 14 minus 51. This is in the place of 14, and this is minus 51. Okay. So we have to zero this place and this place. Okay. So now apply operation. R2 minus 14 R3. Okay. So there is a no effect on these numbers and this number also. So now we apply this operation in this place. So 14 minus, in the place of R2 we will substitute 14. Okay, minus 14. In the place of R3 we will substitute 1, because in the bottom of the 14 we will substitute 1, so 14 ones are 14 and minus 14, 14 minus 14 0. Okay, now apply operation for this. So we will apply r1 plus, this is minus, so we will substitute plus. Okay, and with the help of r3 we will zero this place. Okay, so r3. Now what is the number multiply with this? So we will get 0. Okay, in the place. So this is the number 51. So now let's check how we can zero this number. So R2, R R2, R1. So we will substitute minus 51 because in the place of R1 minus 51 plus then multiply 51, and R3 in the place of R3 we will substitute 1 because with the help of 1 we will we will do 0 in the place of 50 minus 51. So 51 and plus 51 ones are 51 and we will get 0. So this is the reduced echelon form of given matrix. We choose the matrix to 0. Okay, this is the matrix, and we have a we have we had a task to this matrix convert into this form, and this is the reduced echelon form. Okay, so we convert it into reduced echelon form. So this is the reduced echelon form of given matrix. Okay, in this place of starting page. Okay, Allah Hafiz. We will see next topics in next videos. Please subscribe and share my videos.